Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily calculate percentages in Microsoft Excel using a number of real-world examples. Let's get started. I'll start with a basic example of exam scores. In this example, we have the scores of a number of students on their latest exam. In column B is the student's actual score out of a possible 50 shown in column C. To calculate percentage, I'll divide the score in column B from the max score in column C using the following formula. Equals B3 divided into C3, and then I'll press enter. The result is 0.74. And you may be saying, dude, that doesn't look like a percentage, and you'd be right. I'll next highlight cell D3 and click on the percentage button in the ribbon above. Now it correctly displays the percentage as 74%. I'll now copy the formula to the other rows by highlighting cell D3, and I'll look for the box at the lower right, put my mouse over it until the cursor changes to a plus sign, and then I'll right-click and drag to the remaining rows. The next example I'll do is for percentage change between two values. I have a list of salespeople and their yearly sales versus their sales targets. I could use the same formula as we did in the first example. This would be equals B3 divided by C3, and that would result in a value of 84% for Jimmy, which means he achieved 84% of his sales target. However, in this application, it would make more sense to have the percentage difference from the sales target. To do this, I want to calculate the difference between their sales and their target sales, and then divide by the target. The formula would be equals opening bracket B3 minus C3 closing bracket divided by C3, and then I'll press enter. We now see that Jimmy was 16% under his sales target for the year. I'll copy the formula to the remaining rows, and we can see that some salespeople were short of their target and some people had surpassed their targets. Finally, I'll do some formulas where you may already have the percentages but don't have one of the values. In the first example, we have 80% of the students in a class of 35 went to the picnic. How many students were at the picnic? To determine this number, we would use the following formula. Equals 80% times 35 and press enter. We now know that 28 students attended the picnic. The next example states that 30% of the seats in the restaurants were in use, which totaled 60 people. We are asked to determine how many total seats are in the restaurant. To do this, we would use the following formula. Equals 60 divided by 30% and press enter. The result of 200 means that the restaurant has 200 seats in total. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have suggestions for future video topics, please comment below. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.